trends that I believed we were moving towards are still producing quality products, but also taking out a lot of the labour and the labour challenges and the training. We're here at Interpack today, and it's first day. We've been very, very busy on our stand, and everybody who we've had visitors from many different countries, the question that they all ask, I think because they know that a fin can chocolate coat and polish, is that they're looking for that efficiency. They're looking for that data capability. They're looking at the recording of trends, of having remote access to the machines, to having dashboard reporting. And I think more than ever, that is, for us, that's the difference. We've kind of built and designed an efficient machine. We think we've built the best fin ever, and our sales are reflecting that. But the difference is that we've adopted the Mitsubishi PLCs, and they are really working well for our customers and looking at trends, having access to that information and giving the operators and the production managers confidence in what they're doing. So that is making us different. We found that with the information we can take from the Mitsubishi, that the best practices can be there to support each different shift, each different operator, that it is very much a tool to support people in the process so they can achieve what it is they want to achieve without any guesswork.